Good afternoon, children. Let us talk today the pride of India, Tokyo Olympics silver medalist Mirabai Chanu. Saikam Mirabai Chanu, born on 8th August 1994, is an Indian weightlifter. She won the silver medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics in women's 49 kgs. Mirabai Chanu has won the World Championship and multiple medals at the Commonwealth Games. She was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India for her contribution to the sports. She was awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award by the Government of India in 2008. Now Chanu had won a silver after lifting a combined weight of 202 kgs of weight at Tokyo Olympics 2020. So she was welcomed with a great pride to India, and the Mizoram government has announced to give 1 crore as the award for Mirabai Chanu with the post of SP. Let us start today's session with properties of multiplication of fractional numbers. As you know the properties of multiplication, the same thing will apply on fractional numbers also. First property, as we learned from class 1 to class 4, the properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication, here also the same thing we are applying on fractional numbers. So let us take some first property, multiplication of two fractional numbers with an example. What is 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. As you know now, in last session we have solved the multiplication sum of one fractional number multiplied by another fractional number. That is 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. That is multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. 2 ones are 2, 3 fives are 15. Now interchange the places. So start with 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. Again you get the same answer 2 by 15. That is LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side, right hand side. That is 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 15 itself. Now what is the first property, children? If two fractional numbers are multiplied in either order, the product remains the same. If we change the order of the fractional numbers, we get the same product. It is the first property. Next property is multiplication of a fractional number by 1. Already we learnt multiplication of any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Same thing it is applicable for fractional numbers. That is what is 3 by 5 into 1. 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5. The number itself. So if a fractional number is multiplied by 1, the product is the fractional number itself. Here also the same property, multiplication of fractional number by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. This is the property of multiplication on numbers. Now here, what is 7 by 11 into 0? That is 0 itself. 7 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11. That is 0 by 11 is always 0 itself. Then what is this property? If a fractional number is multiplied by 0, the product is also 0. Next property is multiplication of three fractional numbers. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So now start with a grouping. First two numbers you group first. That is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4. So what it becomes? You all know BODMAS rule. That is BODMAS rule. This is very important in mathematics. Okay, children. BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first comes bracket. You have to, whenever in an equation we get more operations, then you have to solve first bracket. So first you have to solve bracket. 1 ones are 1, 2 fives are 10. So 1 by 10 multiplied by 3 by 4. That is equal to 3 ones are 3, 10 fours are 40. Next one, children. 1 by 2, same example. Now what you have to do? You have to group the second and third. So first solve the bracket. So that is 3 ones are 5 fours are 3 by 20 multiplied by 1 by 2. That is also same thing. 3 by 40. So what is the property then? If three fractional numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. So same thing we have done in the two numbers. We are applying with the three numbers. Worksheet number 8, fill in the blanks. Some missing numbers you have to write. 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 5 is equal to dash into 4 by 5. This is a missing number, children. This part is called left hand side. This part is called right hand side. So, is equal to, that is left side of is equal to is left hand side. Right side of the is equal to is right hand side. So, which number is missing here? Yes, 1 by 2 is missing. Next one, 7 by 13 multiplied by dash is equal to dash into 9 by 17. Now, take the LHS part. So, here we have 7 by 13. Take the LHS part, 9 by 17. Which number is missing in the LHS? That is 9 by 17. Which number is missing in RHS? 7 by 13. Is it right, children? Next one, we all know when we get 0, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Next, when we get the same fractional number itself, when we multiply the fractional number by 1. So, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 9 by 6 multiplied by 1 is 9 by 6 itself. The property. Next, 1 by 2, this we have grouping. Next, 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5. Which number is missing here? So, that is 1 by 2. 5 by 6 into 1 is always the same number itself. When a number is multiplied by the 1, we get same number itself. That is 5 by 6 itself. Next, missing numbers, you take it as assignment and solve it in your CW so that you learn this concept perfectly. When you solve max sums by your own, you become perfect. Solve the sums on word problems on the application of multiplication. Now, Geeta has 8 marbles. She gave 1 by 4 of them to her younger brother. So, she was having 8 marbles with her. In that quarter part, she gave to her younger brother, 1 by 4th part. So, you can easily tell. So, here 8 marbles means half means how much? 4 marbles. In that quarter means 2 marbles. So, make it into 4 parts. So, 8 marbles, make it into 4 parts. So, you get each part as 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 4s are 8 marbles. Okay. How many marbles did her brother get? So, by seeing the question only, you have to tell me, children, whether it is addition, whether it is subtraction, or whether it is multiplication. Then only you can solve the word problem. So, by seeing the question, she gave 1 by 4th of. Of means multiplication. Is it right, children? Then how to solve this? Number of marbles is 8. How much Geeta was having? 8 marbles. In that number of marbles given to her younger brother is 1 by 4th of 8. That is 1 by 4th multiplied by 8. So you can divide here. 8 by 4 means both are the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So therefore Geeta's brother get how many marbles? 2 marbles. Next word problem. 1 plum cake weighs 3 by 4 kg. How much is the weight of 1 plum cake? 3/4 kg or 3 by 4 kg. If Mr. Ramesh buys 5 such cakes, so 1 cake is given. The weight of 1 cake is given and they are asking the weight of 5 such cakes. How many kilograms of cake did he buy? So by seeing the question only, you have to tell me which operation is applicable. Whether it is addition, whether it is subtraction, or whether it is multiplication. Yes, it is multiplication because we already have solved in last sessions that 1 to more. If 1 is given and asking for more, then it is a multiplication. So you can see that weight of 1 kg, 1 cake is given and asking for 5 such cakes. That is 1 given and asking for more. So it is multiplication. While reading the question only, you have to know how to solve the word problem. Then only you can solve, children. So here 1 plum cake weighs 3 by 4th kg. If Mr. Ramesh buys 5 such cakes, how many kilograms of cake did he buy? So how to solve this? Weight of 1 plum cake is 3 by 4 kg. Okay, that is given data. Number of cakes. How many cakes he purchased? 5 such cakes. Okay. Then what we have to find is total weight of this 5 cakes. So here 3/4 multiplied by 5 kg, or you can write off also, no problem. So 3/4 of 5 kg is, that is, you see that whether any number is divisible. No, in 4 5 will not come, in 4 3 will not come. So here, so you can directly multiply. If there is no denominator, then you have to understand that it is 1. So multiply numerator first. 3 5s are 15 by 4 kgs. Or you can write, it is improper, you can write in the mixed form also, no problem. That is 4, how many is 15 children? 15 will not come in 4 tables, so less than 15 is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. So we get one cake weighs 3 by 4 kg, then 5 cakes weighs 3 of 3 by 4 kgs. Therefore Ramesh, Mr. Ramesh bought totally 3 of 3 by 4 kgs of cakes. You can frame your own sentence also, children, no problem. By seeing the question, you can frame your own sentences. When you know the question, when you understand the question, then only you can frame your own words. Otherwise, it is difficult. So this comes by practice. When you practice more and more sums, you know how to frame the sentence. Next one, the cost of 1 kilogram apple is rupees 25 of 1 by 2. How you will read this mixed number? 25 of 1 by 2. So here what is given, children? The cost of 1 kilogram is given and asking for what is the cost of 1.5 kilograms of apples. So here also 1 has given and asking for more. So for example, the cost of 1 pencil is 5 rupees. Then what is the cost of 2 pencils, children? Yes, 10 rupees. How? 5 2s are 10. In the same way, we have to solve the multiplication sums. Cost of 1 kilogram apple is 25 of 1 by 2 rupees. Then cost of 1.5 kilos of apples is how much? So you can multiply this, that is rupees 25.5 of 1 of 1 by 2. So you have to convert this mixed numbers. Okay, children. So here, how you can convert? So we know that 2 multiplied by 25 plus 1. So 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 1 is 51 by 2. Multiplied by 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Now, it is actually, we are writing the cost. So you have to write the Indian rupee. Indian rupee. Next, whether any number is divisible, children? In 2, 51 is divisible? No. In 2, 3 is divisible? No. So you can directly multiply and write. So 51 3s are 153 by 2 2s are 4. So you get 153 by 4. It is a improper. So you convert into mixed number. Mixed number. So how you will convert? This is a bigger number. So you can divide this number 153 by 4. 4, how many is 15? 4 3s are 12. So 3 is the remainder. Bring this 3 down, 33. So 4 8s are 32. So remainder is 1, children. Now, how you will write this? So that is, the denominator remains the same. So 4, how many is 153? 4 38s are 152. plus 1 becomes 153. So the cost of 1.5 kg apples is 38 rupees with quarter paise. That is 25 paise we can tell. But now 38 by 1 by 4. Now next is, therefore write the statement. Statement is very important in word problem, children. So therefore cost of 1.5 kg apples is rupees 38 of 1 by 4. Next sum, take it as assignment and solve it in your CW. Rahul has 3 by 4 kg of toffees with him. He gives 2 by 3 of it. So you can see that it is multiplication to his sister. How much toffee was given to his sister? As we solved in first sum, it is also the same type of sum. You can refer the first one and you can do this sum by your own, so that you can learn how to write the word problem. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep going.